Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I want to show you how to draw a flamingo pool floatie. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our flamingo pool floatie, we're going to begin with the eye. So we're going to begin right here, and I'm going to make a circle for the eye. Then I'm going to add another circle off to the side, and a tiny one right in here. Next, we just want to color in that medium circle. Now, I'm going to start right about here, and I'm going to make a nice big sad face for the top of the head. Now for the beak, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go out. It's going to come down to like a hook shape. Then I'm going to bring it right back up to here, kind of curve it in a little bit. Now, starting here, we're going to take this line, we're going to draw it down, and then we're going to go in and back out to here. Then I'm going to take this line, and I'm just going to curve it up to here. Now, starting here, I'm going to redraw that line, so I'm just going to go down, I'm going to go out, and I'm going to bring it down to about here. Now I want to add a little wing on here. So we're going to begin here. I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down, and it's going to come up. I'm going to go in just a little bit. I'll draw one that goes up and then back in, and one more up and then in. Then I'm going to draw this over and bring it down to here. Now, starting up here, I just want to make a little small skinny sad face right there, just to kind of show there's an opening in our little pool floatie. Then I'm going to start right up here, and I'm going to make a line that's going to come down in like a sad face shape. And right here, we're going to make a line that's going to go up and down. One more that goes up and down. And I'm going to bring this down to here, just to make it look like there's kind of like a tail on our little flamingo pool floatie. Now, starting here in the beak, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up, and then it's going to curve up into a smiley face. Now, at the top of the beak, we're going to draw a line that goes right around here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a little flamingo pool floatie. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.